Hey there, I am Jessica from the Experience family, and today we're going to be talking about how to get your kids involved in the packing process. And we're going to be talking about what we use for our kids in terms of how we lug their stuff from point A to point B. So let's go ahead and dive in. So when our kids were younger, I would pack everything for them, and we used these teeny tiny little suitcases with animal characters on them. I think one was an owl and one was a ladybug, and they were made by Skip Hop. And those were cute and they worked for the time being. But so now that our kids are getting a little bit older, they're ages 6 and 8, we invested in their own suitcases, and they also have packing cubes and a toiletry bag that goes in their suitcase as well. So how can you get your child involved in packing with you? All right, so we use these lovely packing cubes. And what I do is I give my girls specific directions pertaining to each one of the cubes. So for the larger cube, I say, okay, this is going to be for our outfits for the trip. Why don't you pack 4 pairs of pants, 4 short sleeve shirts, and 2 dresses with long sleeves. And then I've taught them how to roll their clothes up and pack them in the cube. So that is the biggest cube. And then for the 2 smaller cubes, one of them is going to be bathing suits and pajamas. So I say, okay, we're there for 5 days. Why don't you pack 2 bathing suits and 2 pairs of pajamas? And then for the last cube, I usually will say, okay, pack X amount of underpants and this many pairs of socks. And now the nice thing about these suitcases that we got from them, these are from Pottery Barn Kids. So on one side of the suitcase, they put their packing cubes, and then on the other side of the suitcase in the compartment, they put their toiletry bag, and then they also put any shoes that they're going to be bringing along as well. So we've kind of gone through this rhythm a few different times so they know what to expect. And so now they know which cube is for their daily outfits, which cube they're going to find their bathing suits in. And I've just found that this process is really helpful to keep them involved. And it also is teaching them about the skill of packing and packing appropriately. And so I think that's been a great side benefit as well. Okay, so that's it. That's how we do it. And that is how our children have been learning to pack well and be accountable for themselves and the things that they're going to be bringing on our trips. So I hope that you enjoyed these tips, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're interested in following along with our travels and learning some great tips along the way.